Look at the op-amps gain for the non-inverting configuration. The output voltage is the voltage multiplied by closed loop gain, which is is equal to 1 plus RF over R. Ayan. This gives our general solution. By the way guys, since naka-passer form siya, lahat ng R gawin nating Z. So, yan yung general solution natin. Tapos ang sabi kasi sa problem, the output voltage must be equal to V1 plus V2. For this to happen, the coefficient for both V1 and V2 must be equal to 1. So, lagay natin. Lagay na lang natin dito siguro. Note that the coefficient of V1 and V2 must be equal to 1. Ayan. Since the RF and R1 are given as 1K ohms, 120 angle of 90, we can see that R2 must be also 120 angle of 90 to keep the V1 and V2 equal. So, substitute the values. Substitute 1. So 1 plus 120. Oh my God, nagkamali ako. 120 angle of 90 over R.